This demo will showcase our Salesforce to Salesforce opportunity broadcast template. Broadcast is the act of moving data from a single source system to many destination systems in an ongoing, near real-time or real-time basis. Essentially, it is one-way synchronization from one to many. This type of integration is useful when synchronizing data from one system to another in real time, creating a sales order in one system when an opportunity is marked as one in another, and many more. In this video, I will show you an example of an organization that utilizes this template to broadcast its opportunities from one Salesforce instance to another in real time. We will also specify a filtering criteria. In this case, an opportunity will be filtered depending on the amount. Right now, let's see how it all works. Let's create a new opportunity in our Salesforce instance in Org A and see how it will be reflected in our destination Salesforce instance. We will fill up an opportunity name, a name of the account it belongs to, as well as the amount, close day, and the stage. Then, when we go to our destination Salesforce instance and refresh the page, we will see that the opportunity was created there as well. Now let's take the same opportunity and change the amount from 100 to 150,000. When we go back to our destination Salesforce instance, we will see that the amount for that opportunity was updated accordingly. Now, let's create a new opportunity that doesn't meet the criteria. We will fill up all the information, and in this case, assign an amount lower than 5,000. Then, when we go to our destination Salesforce instance, we will see that the opportunity didn't migrate over. Now, let's move from the user experience to Anypoint Studio, our graphical design environment for the Anypoint platform, and see what is powering this integration. Here we see our template, which leverages best practices for integration with Salesforce and makes this integration possible in minutes. This template has already been downloaded from our library, where all of our templates can be found. As we look at the endpoints file, we can see a Salesforce connector that retrieves opportunities from our Salesforce instance in Org A and determines the filtering criteria. The filter is a part of the query that selects what should be migrated over, or at least extracted out of the Salesforce instance, and what should be filtered. Then, when we go to the business logic file, we can see that the template uses a batch module to make the act of moving a large set of data easier and more transparent. Here, we query the data from our destination Salesforce instance and check whether an opportunity from the Salesforce origin exists there. Then, for all opportunities that have an account, we check if that account exists in our destination Salesforce instance. And if it doesn't, we create a new one so we can link a new opportunity to that account. Then we upsert the opportunity data into our destination Salesforce, which means we either create a new opportunity or update an existing one. The last step that we do, we log a message report that the migration process has been completed. Now that we know what stands behind this integration, everything we have to do to make it work is to list our Salesforce credentials in the properties file and run the application. Today, we've shown you our Salesforce to Salesforce opportunity broadcast template and broadcasted opportunities from one Salesforce instance to another. To find out more about the template, follow the View documentation link on the template's detail page. Give the template a try, and if you have any questions or feedback, please send it to info@mulesoft.com. Thank you.